Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to get an Android emulator for your Mac. So I don't know any Android emulators on Mac that are compatible, but the only thing I know is Android Studio right here. So Android Studio is an emulator for Mac but only for programming. It's an IDE for Android apps. It lets you create basically your applications for Android. You can use it in Mac, but when it comes to emulating Android phones in Mac, it is pretty hard to combine now because they're losing support and it's actually losing developers for making Android support in your Mac. So you can download an emulator. So you can try using Parallels and then downloading another emulator in there. So that's going to be really time consuming. But basically, if you don't have those resources, I would just rather let you use your phone instead because Android Studio is the only one that I know that can run these type of things. But it's only here that where you can have to program an application to actually run it in your MacBook. So that's it. There's no get around to get Android emulators for Mac at the moment. But if you do know one, please drop one down in the comment section below and let us know what you're using.